Sakha Republic, or Yakutia, is located in the Russian Far East. With the area of more than 3 million square kilometers, it is the largest administrative territorial unit in the world, which is comparable with the territories of such countries as India or Argentina. This is a unique place on Earth, known for its diamonds and the most extreme climate in the northern hemisphere, with temperatures ranging from -60 to +40 degrees Celsius. The only inhabited pole of cold is located here. Also, Yakutia is known for its talented people and original culture. The Yakut epic tale Olon Ho is considered a masterpiece of the oral intangible heritage by UNESCO. The capital of the republic is Yakutsk, and it is the largest city in the world located on permafrost. More than a third of the republic's population live here, which is around 320,000 inhabitants, 47% of whom are under 30 years old. Children and youth come here from all over the republic to get better education. At the moment, the city is experiencing an acute shortage of public urban spaces and centers of additional education where young people could comfortably spend leisure time all year round, socialize, and develop creatively. To solve this problem, the city authorities decided to create a park of future generations and build an educational complex with a total area of 7,500 square meters. For this purpose, the city chose an empty area of 2.4 hectares in the city center. The site borders the republic's largest university and its campus, with more than 17,000 students. For an online survey, students, seniors, leaders of informal communities, representatives of businesses and government, as well as experts in various fields, took part in forming the park's functional program. This all resulted in the creation of the Sakha Z Park. Park of Future Generations Sakha Z in Yakutsk is a new type of open educational space, combining the functions of a park and a citywide event and educational center, focusing on developing talent and supporting the Yakut youth. Yakutia's incredible nature served as inspiration for the organization of the park's planning structure. In the park, existing transit diagonal paths are preserved. Engineered hills around the perimeter of the plot protect the interior from wind, dust, and the influence of adjacent highways. Lakes appearing in thawing areas of permafrost, meandering rivers and mountains are reflected in the creation of the park's multi-level relief, characteristic bands of hills, and the upper walking route. The results of analyzing the circulation of pedestrian flows, functional zoning, as well as climatic factors were processed using computer programs with the creation of a fractal drawing that became the basis for the planning structure of the park, which follows the principles of creating natural forms. The architectural concept is centered around the modern rethinking of the ancient epic, cultural images, symbols and ornaments of the Yakuts. Sakha Block is a universal architectural module based on a circle, a symbol of the sun. The prototype for the buildings is a traditional winter Yakut dwelling, balagan, a log yurt with a green roof and earthen floor. Due to permafrost, all buildings in this region are built on stilts. As a result, additional walking space is formed at the ground level, and the building itself does not take away the territory from the park. The facades are made of perforated sheets based on the Yakut national ornaments. This module can be of any diameter and can be combined into spatial structures for any functional needs and site configuration. There are 3 buildings on the territory: the Youth Center, Sakha Young, the Educational and Sports Center, Sakha Learn, and the Tourist Information Center, Sakha Point. Between them, the main event square is formed, covered with a canopy made from ETFA membrane. The central exhibition space of the main building is pierced through with a living tree, symbolizing the world tree Al-Luk Mas, connecting the 3 worlds of the Yakut universe. The Dali mosquito art object and the Yakutsk Pipes play space reflect the region's rethought unique natural and infrastructure features. The structural scheme of the buildings is an easy-to-assemble prefabricated frame which allows you to create any free layout inside and erect the building in a short construction period. The project provides for the use of advanced engineering, energy-efficient technologies. Climate correction systems are used to create a comfortable outdoor environment at any time of the year. In winter, infrared emitters operate under the buildings and canopy, and heated outdoor furniture is placed throughout the park. A modern integrated approach to the organization of the educational environment involves the creation of a variety of spatial and functional scenarios, both in closed spaces and in the street. The landscaping concept follows the idea of reflecting the collective image of Yakutия as nature using typical local plants. The natural environment of the park follows into the interior of the buildings as quiet recreation areas. This creates year-round flowering green spaces which are sorely lacking in the harsh Yakut climate. Near the event area, there is an artificial reservoir. Learning spaces in the park are represented by special planting zones. The buildings provide for co-working, a library, various training centers, and other spaces for integrated personal development, from private schools of additional education to free spaces provided to young startups. All educational spaces are maximally transformable for different types of classes. Various events in the park can take place on the main event square or in the open amphitheater area. The buildings have a universal exhibition space with an amphitheater and a multifunctional transformable auditorium for the same purpose. Sports activities in the park are represented by a skate park with a pump track, a workout area, an ice rink under the building, a looped sports route, and a bike path. In the buildings, there are transformable gyms for gymnastics, yoga, and dancing. A year-round cultural program for the park and buildings has been mapped out, involving a number of existing and new cultural and entertainment events. With the mobile app in sight, a system has been created to involve everyone in the life of the park. People can familiarize themselves with a calendar of upcoming events or apply to organize their own. A connected system of indoor and outdoor spaces and walking routes creates a variety of user scenarios that unites the park and buildings into a single spatial system, which is a necessity in an extreme climate and the inability for people to stay in the street for a long time. Park of Future Generations Sahazed in Yakutsk is a new type of educational space that sets new standards for the design of urban public spaces in the extreme northern climate and allows to fully reveal the potential of the Sakha Republic and its talented youth, and helps the guests of the city to get acquainted with the vibrant culture of this unique region.